Senior Zimbabwe Republic police officers throughout the country Monday backed the national shutdown that paralyzed the country by reportedly instructing their juniors to refrain from beating protesters. Zanabira mashikobura chitsanangura chinzi aiwa matop cops panguva ino votobhekawo Geza noda kuti they are also facing the same zviri kufesiwa nemaordinary citizens emunyika yeZimbabwe. Zanabira mashoko amudanyirwa pana upload subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tiri nano wamudanyirwa pamuchinzi. Sources within the ZVAITWA top brass told him that they have learned from the 2017 coup that ZANU-PF factionalism can cost them their jobs, hence their reluctance to take sides in the current political turmoil. A senior police officer, chief superintendent based in Mutare, said they warned junior officers that if they used excessive forces on protesters, they would be held individually accountable should victims file complaints against them in court. We have seen this before. If you side with any of the warring factions within the ruling party, you will be exposed when they eventually resolve their issues, and no one will protect you. So we have advised our junior accordingly, he said. A chief superintendent based in Chinoy also emphasized the importance of neutrality in courts. We reminded our officers that these are politically motivated protests, with politicians fighting each other, not the police fighting the people. So we told them to refrain from attacking innocent citizens and instead ensure there are no injuries, theft, or vandalism. We are happy that our officers here did not use excessive force, he said. Despite the internal resistance, police have intensified patrols in towns and cities following a nationwide shutdown triggered by national protest called by war veteran and former ZANU-PF Central Committee member Blessed Geza. Ndomashikwana pana patinoti aiwa masenior ZVAITWA police aiwa vanouya panapa vachiudza majunior police kuti aiwa do not be involved kana kuti musauya muchikwadza macitizens. Yaonekwa as a way yekubacka up Geza panguva ine vanoti aiwa imi mutoziva kuti it is your duty but imi muchingoro dispersai vanhu kuti vasangokonzeresa maviolent protest but imi don't take sides, don't harm my citizens. Inoda kuti kana tine mazuva my citizens, the blame later will be blamed on you. Tudzei mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi kuna comment section medu. Mafunguro enyu musana subscribe or like, shoot on the bell icon.